This is a brand new 2012 Nissan Pathfinder. This SUV has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 4.0-liter V6, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, Nissan Intelligent Key Entry and Ignition Systems, traction control and stability control systems, a premium audio system, XM satellite radio, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a heated steering wheel, aluminum wheels, roof rails, leather seats, running boards, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, rear impact crumple zones, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, and power adjustable gas and brake pedals enable you to change their height and distance to fit your body rather than you fit to their positions. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.